use this specific part in trying to see some or a range of real numbers and some of their properties. So the first one is natural numbers. Now, natural numbers are given an initial as capital N. So in any case we come across that one, we're going to know basically that it refers to natural numbers. And this basically contains all the set of counting numbers which are denoted as N as I've written. And therefore I can give an example of these specific numbers. etc. All the counting numbers that of course we have can be referred to as natural numbers. And then number two, we have what we call whole numbers. This is a type of real number. The first type of real numbers is natural numbers. The second one is whole numbers. That refers to a set of all natural numbers together with this zero. If we can see this particular example that we've given for natural numbers, it's excluding zero. Now for this second set of numbers that we refer to as whole numbers, they are given or initialized as W, and therefore it consists of numbers which are ranging from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is including all the counting numbers plus 0, therefore they are referred to as whole numbers. And then number three, we have what we call integers. Now for integers, they are initialized as Z, and this basically contains a set of all whole numbers together with a negative natural numbers. So for the first case, I've given positive numbers. The second case include all the natural numbers together with 0. The third one include all the whole numbers together with the negative numbers that we have already illustrated on our number line. So therefore, a range of Z consists of numbers which are negative this is positive 1, 2, 3, etc. So basically the difference between whole numbers and integers is that integers consist of a range of those negative numbers, and it's given an initial as Z. And then number four, we have what we call rational numbers. So these are number four, rational numbers, which are initialized as R. So there's no this circle here, I'm just giving an illustration. So it's given as letter R, and this is a set of all numbers that can be written in the form of A over B, where A and B basically implies integers. We have talked about the concept of integers, which is a range of these numbers, and where A and B is a set of integers. But for rational numbers, there's a condition in a sense that this denominator is not equivalent to 0. Therefore, we said that a number divided by 0 is indefinite. So therefore, we're going to see that a range of rational numbers is numbers that can be expressed as A over B, where A and B are integers, but B is not equivalent to 0. So therefore, these rational numbers basically are given as Q not R. So therefore, in case we come across that rational numbers which are given as Q, we can be able to express Q as A over B, and of course emphasize with that condition that B is not equivalent to 0. So in any case, of course, if you talk about this rational